In front of me is ZTE Blade A54, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to access passwords and accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google under Autofill service. Click on Google Password Manager and tap on any password that you wish to delete. Following that, enter your current screen lock and tap on Delete button next to Edit one. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up and wait. As you can see, after that, my password was successfully removed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!